Branch doesn't charge a single universal monthly fee, because the app is built around optional financial tools that can introduce costs depending on how you use them. By the end, you'll know what parts of Branch are free, where fees can appear, and how to avoid paying for features you don't actually need. Branch is a mobile finance app that combines banking-style features with cash advance tools. The key detail is that the base app experience is not the same as the paid features inside it. You can use core functions, like account access and basic money management, without necessarily paying a subscription fee. Now break down where people actually run into costs. The main fees are tied to cash advance features and instant access services. These are optional tools that let you access money faster than standard processing. That speed and convenience is what typically creates a cost. Now explain the common confusion. Most users assume any money app either has a fixed monthly fee or is completely free. Branch doesn't work like that. Instead, costs depend on which features you activate and how quickly you want access to funds. Now explain how cash advance usage affects pricing. If you use advanced style services, the app may charge for faster delivery or premium access options. If you avoid those features and only use basic tools, your experience may stay free, or close to free, depending on your account activity. Now, explain what Branch is actually optimizing for. Branch is designed around flexible financial access, not a flat subscription model. That means pricing is tied more to usage than ownership of the app itself. Now give a simple reality check. If you rarely use cash advances or instant transfer features, you're unlikely to see consistent fees. If you rely on those features often, costs are more likely to appear because you're paying for speed and convenience. Here's the simple breakdown. Branch does not have one fixed monthly fee for everyone. Costs depend on whether you use optional cash access tools and how quickly you want funds delivered. Do this next. Open your Branch app and check your cash advance or transfer settings. Look for any instant or priority options and review whether those features show a cost before you confirm them. If you stick to standard access features, you're usually staying on the low-cost side of the app. Branch is built to scale with usage, so the more you rely on fast cash features, the more likely you are to encounter fees.